Good morning. Today I have my two helpers with me. Say hello. Oh yes. Love you. And then the other one's right here. Yes, I love you both. Today is really exciting. We're going to be filming Love, and Isaac will be my guest appearance in that video, so it's very exciting. I'm excited to film that one. Here he is.
Hello chat, what's up?
I'm taking them on the behind the scenes with me today for my setup. We're gonna do two setups. We're gonna do the first regular makeup setup, the second setup, which is gonna be a fun setup for Love. It's gonna be very like club-esque, I guess. Oh, look at the trees, how cute. Yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. So right now I have my camera batteries charging. I'm just gonna have to set you up somewhere. Really great. How easy is little paws?
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love.
I'm gonna go through these and I'm going to fill them up with the products and brushes that I want to use for this current video, and then I'm gonna put all the other products on my desk so that I have everything in front of me that I need, and I always have to end up getting up for something anyway, but I will have to get up less. So that'll be good. So we're really just closing out January today. We're getting the roast of hot cocoa, the roast of poppy, all the shots for all the videos filmed in January so that we could start February out fresh. Today for the main video we're filming, it's called Love, and I just want to get a really cool photo shoot of us because for those of you that don't know, we are both photographers and we hardly ever do photo shoots together, and we need to change that, so today we are. So this is the shade that I'm going to be using. This is the shade that inspired today's video, so thank you, Jamie Genevieve. I love your brand, and a lot of its products have inspired videos, so hopefully you see them one day. But today we're going to be filming with Love, a little bit of Divine, which are these two right here. Something that I have been loving lately is her eye wands. I have pretty much all of them. For mascara today, I think I'm going to stick with my favorites. This one is the Iconic in black, and I love this one for like bottom lashes. It's fantastic. And this one is the Vive Modern Mascara in midnight black. So love this one. That's what I'm going to be using today. They are my absolute favorites, and I love that they are both gold and they're so beautiful. Here's vanilla. Okay, I had a feeling. So I think I'm going to swap out sand for vanilla because that just fits my skin tone a little bit better. I don't even know what I'm doing for lips actually. I have this one here, Context Liquid Lacquer, and it's called Mad Love. This is one of the options, but this is definitely a neutral, and I was thinking of having a bit different of an aesthetic for Love, so I might go in with Kiss of Fire, which is a super bright pink. Doesn't look like it here, but it will on my lip. So I'll probably film just a couple of scenes with this, and then I'll do like a cute transition into this one, or if I like this one better, we'll see what happens. Last thing I need, ooh, this will probably go good with Mad Love. I just kind of have a bunch of brushes I can grab. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. I probably did, but oh well. Set it all up. This is my fan club. Yi-chan, your favorite seat in the house. Love you. And Creeper is just over here chilling under my tripods, which we're gonna set up next. I don't know if you guys can hear them in the background, but they crack me up. This is the Canon 77D. This is the camera that I used to shoot with everything with, until we started booking more paid jobs and I had to upgrade. So this is what I used to film all my YouTube videos with, everything. And then now we have two Canon R5s. Let's put a battery in there. And then we're just gonna put this one on this tripod. Yeah, so that's secured in there. I swear, every time that I set up for a video or I'm filming a video, there's like one frustrating technical issue. And you just have to move past it. You have to. Okay, so this is my other Canon R5. This one has the macro 100mm lens from Canon, which we love. Put that in there. Got a battery. And another thing is I have 2 other batteries that are currently charging right now. So if at all during the video these ones get used up, we could just switch them out. So I'm gonna add this one to this tripod. I'm gonna have this one a bit higher so that it's above. So we're getting 2 different angles here. One that's gonna be really close up, and then one that's a little bit lower that I could zoom in and out with, and I don't get a different angle, just kind of like a regular angle. So now that we have these both secured, now we're gonna move my light.
Wanna fix, wanna heal where it's sudden. Gonna put out the fire where it's burning. I will be there with all of my being. Ordinary love, yeah. Don't you ever say you are not enough. Baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith.
A little bit about this light I kind of want to show you. Let me turn the camera. SZ150R from Godox light. It's an RGB light, and right now I currently have a Godox S120T softbox on it, and then I just have it on a regular C-stand, so I have that plugged in. So we have the white background, we have everything that we're going to film with. We have 2 Canon R5s, one with a 100mm macro lens and one with the 18-55 lens, both with a battery and a memory card in them. And then we have the light all set up here, so I'm going to show you what that looks like on a C-stand. And then my babies are being very good and very quiet, and then we're going to start filming. So that is currently the setup for most of my videos. I'm sure it'll change over time, so I'll keep you updated on that, but as of January 2025, that is how we do things. I am actually trying to change my ways, and I'm going to start talking during my videos. I'm still going to stop to get the really like smooth aesthetic shots for my videos, because I don't want to necessarily talk in my videos. So yeah, you're going to be hearing from me and seeing me. This is everything from like my perspective. Okay, here's my laptop, which I'm hiding some of the videos that I have planned. Those are all the ones that have gone up already. This is how I plan it. It's all on Notion. The 2 cameras, which are not in use yet, but I'll have the monitors flipped out, and then my light is right here, so it's just a really big light shining down on me. And then there's Crew as usual, and then there's Sabo. So it's under my desk. Hi Sabo. And Crew's watching me. Hi Crew. So yeah, I'll show you the difference right now. So this is what I look like before the light is on. Let me go turn it on. Sorry. Whew. My blood pressure dropped a little bit. I need to get it back up. But anyways, this is the after of once my light is on. So as you can see, I could shoot at night. Now the sun's practically down. You can see me. And I could change the temperature of this light. This light, I'm kind of going for like a slight bit of a warm tone, but it's mainly going to be a neutral color. I'll do the setup of my photo shoot later, because that one's going to be a very creative setup, which I don't do too often, but I'm trying to do this year. So that'll be great for that. Just gonna get my life together. I'm like exhausted. Dude, does any other persons have like POTS or low blood pressure? Because I swear when mine drops, it's just like, it takes a minute to get it back up. I need to go get some water, I need to eat, and I need to take sodium, basically. So I'll go do that before I start filming. I'm sweating, it is so hot in here. But I did want to show you the setup that I ended up with. So I just ended up listening to music. This camera was great. This is the one I primarily ended up filming on. This one shut off on me halfway through and I just didn't have the energy to deal with it, you know, and then I just used this one as my backup. This one got all the macro shots, which is what I needed, mainly anyway. And then this will be like, if I do need any of me in this angle, it's just gonna have to be a lower quality video, which is fine. It is what it is. Try on there. I gotta get this camera working properly. So I'm going to try and recreate another scene now. I'm tired. I really don't want to do it, if I'm being honest. This was like a really, really tough video to get through, but I'm really proud of myself for pulling through. I do like the way the makeup turned out. It's definitely not a look that I normally would do, but that's okay. I don't know what lip to do. I filmed 3 different lips. This is the one. This is just the color Poppy and lip gloss, because I got the rest of those shots that I needed for Poppy. And you guys can watch me tear everything down now for something new. Yeah, now let's transform this place.
I wanna oversleep in your shirt, cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love.
Now this light is orange. As you can see, I'm very orange. These lights are changing. It looks orange until these lights change, and then since they're turning blue and purple, they make it more of a blue and purple hue, but this is kind of what it'll look like. Yeah. See what happens. Starting with these, I have 2 of these light poles here. So we're gonna be taking this softbox off. There we go.
Ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah.
If I hold the camera this way, there's a really intense shadow, which might be fun to play off of, but I don't think that's necessarily this harsh of a shadow is what I want for this. I need this lighting fixed. Okay, so I'm gonna attach this to it so I could direct it, because right now it's kind of crazy.
Kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe.
That looks nice. Okay. So far we're looking like this. It's a little better. I like it. It's moody. I don't know what lip to do. It's raining today and I love that. Okay, here's the behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
So this is what it looks like. We have the camera over here. Hello. Hello, camera. So we move the camera down lower. Turn the color solid.
Didn't you already make a video to that song?
You're the solution.
Mm-hmm.
I've just played it a bunch of times, intending to do it with this one. I don't know what to do.
I think we've captured it all.
Maybe next time we could do something with your projector.
With my projector?
Yeah.
What projector? Oh, yeah.
The one that you don't even like.
I do like it.
You ready?
I guess.
Goodbye.
Peace out.
Doesn't have to be holy.